The Eliza Jane New Orleans, in the Unbound Collection by Hyatt. 4 stars, stay in the heart of New Orleans. Just 2 blocks from the French Quarter, this hotel offers accommodations in a restored 19th century building. It offers an on-site bar and rooms with free Wi-Fi and a flat-screen TV. Each room includes a seating area, work desk and complimentary toiletries. Many rooms feature exposed brick walls. The bellmen were so helpful, friendly, always ready to greet you. Great face for your hotel. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The hotel had atmosphere, nicely decorated and rooms are comfortable. Great location. The hotel was modern and upbeat, perfect for New Orleans. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.